The first COVID-19 outbreak in a Maine fire department is having a ripple effect across several towns. Good evening, I'm Pat Callahan.
And I'm Lindsay Mills, in for Cindy Williams tonight. Firefighters in Buxton and Saco are being tested because of possible contact with their counterparts from Sanford, where there have been 3 confirmed cases. And that outbreak has raised concerns over how the state is protecting our first responders. News Center Maine's Zach Blanchard is live in Sanford tonight with more. Zach?
Well, Pat and Lindsay, those concerns are over testing. The president of the local firefighters union here says while the first positive case was discovered days ago, the state just completed testing for every other member of the department this afternoon.
Tonight, frustrations are flaring at the Sanford Fire Department over how the state has handled a COVID-19 outbreak among its personnel.
Both disappointed and frustrating.
President of the Sanford Firefighters Association, Eric Beecher, says some have had to wait over 72 hours for results, and he says it's just not quick enough.
We were under the assumption that we were going to receive our test results at an expedited rate. We want to make sure that we're able to be tested as fast as possible so that we can do everything we can to curb and stop any outbreak and spread.
But it already could have. 3 members of the department tested positive. 2 may have had contact with firefighters in Buxton and Saco. Now members of all 3 departments are being tested.
These are the people who come to help, and so to have them have this problem going through their department is concerning to everybody.
Sanford City Councilor Maura Herlihy says it's time for the state CDC to better track and share local data down to the zip code more frequently.
I think citizens need to have the ability to be more proactive.
As of the latest data released almost a week ago, there were 29 positive cases in the Sanford area. Statewide, there have fortunately been few cases involving firefighters. That does not mean the risk isn't there.
Concerned about getting exposed, being a carrier, exposing the community we protect and serve, our fellow workers in the firehouse, as well as taking this stuff home to our family and friends.
For Beecher, it's about better protecting those on the front lines to protect the communities they serve.
If anybody else tests in a high number, then the staffing could be short, and we would all have to make up for that on the other end with available personnel.
Now, aside from those 3 positive tests, all other members of the department here in Sanford have tested negative. However, the department has to go through another round of testing within the next week. The CDC is urging anyone who thinks they came into contact with members of the Sanford, Saco, or Buxton fire departments to contact their healthcare provider. Live in Sanford tonight, I'm Zach Blanchard, News Center, Maine.